Okay, I'm gonna be buying a fish, buying a fish pool, and catching fish. I shall call this the Fisher Games. Looks pretty. There's no fishing, but the digging. Yes, I want it. Yes, I'll buy it. I am gonna use the shovel. Whoa! What was that? I picked up a diamond. There it is. Here's another one right here. Let's listen to the music. Picked up a fossil! Woohoo! I can't believe these are going to be my first dig ups. Oh yeah! Let's find some more. Find some more. The can't see this. What's that? Is that Gulliver? Where the poop deck? What did he mean poop deck? And that's a sailor? That was a sailor? And there's another one. Another fossil! Why am I finding fossils all over the place? Number carry it again. Did it back up? Swap it with cherry. And where's my house? Can't really far away. It looks like I'm gonna end my game over here. No, I'm not gonna reset because that'll be Shetty appearing and me losing my fossils. So where should I go? Where's my house? Let's see if this leads to my house. Oh no, dead end. Talk to my gyroid. Wait. Sing. Save and quit. Adios. And I will stop recording. Now see you later. Bye.